Schöne mir hier Ark Balandin. Hello everyone, my name is Ark Balandin, and in this video I'll show you how to quickly enter texts in Lojban on Android devices. For those who don't know, Lojban is an international language. You can read more about Lojban using the links below this video. So right now we are on an Android device. It's Android version 4.1, but the application we'll be talking about requires Android version 1.6 or later, so it'll work even on pretty old devices. So let's get started. Let's open Android Market, Google Play. Now we need to search for so-called O keyboard. Let's type it O key. Here it is. Multi-link O keyboard. Right now it's in beta version, but it works pretty well, so let's install it. While it is being installed, we'll find a special Lojban plugin for it. Let's just search for Lojban. Here we can see all the applications somehow related to Lojban. You can try all of them later, but for now we need a plugin Lojban by the author Honso. Let's install it too. Now we can see that O keyboard appeared. We can also search for this application on the app screen. Let's open it and follow the instructions. First we enable this multi-link keyboard, back, then we select this keyboard. We won't install any plugins here. We already installed the Lojban plugin that we needed. And now let's just test the application. Here is our keyboard allowing entering texts, and by default it uses English input, as you can see on the spacebar, but we need to change to Lojban. Let's activate Lojban. We'll need to do this only once, so we press on the spacebar and slide to languages. In the menu appear. Now, as Lojban traditionally uses Latin alphabet, we choose ABC. Now let's scroll to Lojban. Where is our Lojban? Here it is. Now we have Lojbanic keyboard. As you can see, Lojbanic keyboard has an apostrophe as a separate key. Now we can quickly change from English to Lojban by pressing on the spacebar and sliding to the languages we recently used. So here they are, English. So we can change to English keyboard and back to Lojban. Now let's start entering texts. While typing, you can see that the application gives us suggestions of what word we might want to enter. For example, if we make mistypes, it can help us. As you can see, I typed lomlatu, which means a cat. But what is really cool is that we can not only type, but also swipe from one letter to another, and the app will guess what we entered. This is all possible to a Lojbanic dictionary that is contained in the plugin we installed. So let's type lomlatu shupinhe loladru. A cat is drinking milk. I'll swipe, not type. As you can see, when I swiped not very carefully, the application gave me a suggestion. I might wanted to swipe not cow but ladro, so I chose ladro. So here it is. You can choose either typing or swiping. This app allows you to enter texts in Lojban really fast. You can install plugins for other languages. Thanks for watching. Miha Arkbalandin и Шоха. It was Arkbalandin. Bye.